MGF1107, welcome to our online course. My name is Dr. Weideman and I will be your professor for this course. Let's explore the My Courses course first. From the course homepage shown here, you'll have several options on the top toolbar. We'll start by staying on the course homepage and looking student tools available here. On the news area, each week there'll be news items posted that remind you of upcoming due dates or what we're working on that week. Calendar items will show on the right-hand side. This class does have proctored midterm and proctored final that are given using HonorLock. You'll see HonorLock information here, and also a link to Pearson MyLabs on the lower left side. Let's go back up to the top toolbar and click on Course Content. And notice on the toolbar on the left-hand side, the syllabus is available at the top of the table of contents. We're going to click on the Begin Here module. And this module has information to help you get started in the course. There's a sub-module with the syllabus, a weekly schedule, and the syllabus quiz, some materials to help you get started in the class, a checklist, this welcome message, and a handout, MyMathLab materials. Let's click on syllabus and weekly schedule. The syllabus is very important for you to read through and make sure you understand. The weekly schedule, I urge you to print this out and keep it close to your computer. It shows all of the course assignments and the due dates. And then, of course, the syllabus quiz, and you need to get 100% on the syllabus quiz in order to unlock the unit modules in My Courses. And that's mentioned right here in the Begin Here module. You must get 100% on the syllabus quiz in order to unlock the course materials, which include the discussions. And my demonstration student has already done her syllabus quiz, so she can see some of the unit modules here. Let's go ahead and click on the Unit 1 module. All the modules are set up in the same fashion. There'll be some instructions at the top, a little description of what the unit covers, an introduction, section notes, PowerPoints, lecture videos that I've created that go over the sections in the unit, worked example videos, and then each unit has a discussion topic, and that's available here in the unit modules. Returning to the top toolbar, click on Calendar, and all the due dates for the course have been loaded into the calendar for you, and that way they'll appear on that front course homepage. And this is critical. You have to make sure that you've purchased that MyMathLab Access Kit so you can get registered in MyMathLab. So again, if we go back here to the course homepage, all the way down on the lower left side, you'll see the link to Pearson MyLab and Mastering. Click on that link. The first time you do that, you'll be walked through the steps to get registered in our MyMathLab course. If you have purchased your student access kit, you'll be entering the code from that kit. If you haven't gotten your kit yet, there's still an opportunity to create a temporary account good for 2 weeks without paying. On the screen where it shows or asks you to enter that access code, in the lower right corner there should be an option for a temporary account. I'm going to suggest when you go to MyMathLab, use this orange bar because it'll open up the entire course for you, and there's a lot of good materials in there, and I'd like you to see all those resources that are available. When you first go in, there's a calendar, and on the calendar the due dates will also show up here. So your first set of homework will be due on January 19th. On the left toolbar, you can navigate the course. The units of study are the same as the unit modules in My Courses. The assignments page has all of the course assignments, and I've linked here for you for each section the textbook and any videos that are available for that section. And then all the homeworks are shown here. And then each unit test, you have to score at least 60% on each of the homeworks that lead into that unit in order to unlock the unit test. And let's pull up a homework assignment, and I want to make sure that everybody is aware of the homework help that's available, question help. You have question help, different resources available on different problems. Help Me Solve It will help you solve this identical problem. When you get finished, it's going to regenerate the problem with different numbers. View an Example will walk you through a similar problem, but will keep with the original problem. For instance, on this one, if you had figured out the finance charge, but you didn't know how to do the second part, you wouldn't want to do Help Me Solve It because it would make you start all over again. If you did View an Example, you could get to the part where it talks about calculating the APR. This problem has a video that you can look at, and then it also can go to the textbook where it's covered. And then also you can send an email to me, which will send me a copy of this exact question, and you can tell me what you're having trouble with, and I will respond to you in our My Courses course. All right, let's go ahead and close this down. And again, it's really important that you get registered in MyMathLab as soon as possible because you have assignments due right away during the first week. And again, remember this course has proctored midterm and a proctored final, and you want to take a look at this honor lock information here. And I should also mention will be an honor lock practice test that does not count towards your grade, but it will introduce you to the honor lock system, and all students must take that in order to unlock the midterm and final, and also the preparation quizzes that are available to help you prepare for each of those proctored exams. So I look forward to working with you this semester.